This is part 2 of my Paladin Generation 2 review video. I ordered these, liked them a lot, all day, every day. Great workout short just to walk around, super light, really like them. They're on sale, so I bought a second pair, and I think they're a great pair of shorts, but, well, why'd you buy a second pair if they're such a great pair of shorts? Well, these are a great pair of shorts. Wear them all day, pretty much every day since purchasing. And I just wanted to have a second one alternative. And then also, if they get, the material is great, talk about that in the first video, but if they get rid of these or discontinue these, update them, I wanted to have, just like I have the Generation 1, which is nice, which is also like usable as a swim trunk, but I wanted to have one in place in case they make updates that I liked. But my big problem with the shorts, the biggest problem, as you see, these are the ones I purchased. I had to add these because this drawstring that they have for $100 short, it's borderline ridiculous for you to put a, $1.25 drawstring. I don't know where the shorts are made. I think it might be Vietnam or something like that. Where is this made? I think I tell you in the last video. But for them to put this drawstring, and the material is great. It's super lightweight, super comfortable. People swear by the Aught products. It seems well made. Now, why couldn't they put something like this up here? Something that's not going to fall right in after a couple wears. And I've already had to dig it out, so my solution, and I shouldn't have to do this with a $100 pair of shorts. I shouldn't have to tie these things on here till I find another workaround, and this is the best workaround I have now. It just doesn't make sense. So, it's a good pair of shorts, like it a lot. This is just a part 2 after wearing them for a couple weeks. Workout all day, every day. You don't have to take them off. I recommend it with the exception of, and I just don't get it. My other big complaint is the lack of a back pocket. A back pocket would just be a nice addition someplace where you could stick your phone. It's got a really good deep pocket, which I like a lot. I mean, you could use that for a lot of things. Great deep pocket. This zippered pocket's great. I don't know, maybe somebody will use this. I never will. But they took the time to put this in there, but they can't get this right. I just don't get that. This zipper with the little tie thing, great addition, real nice. The quality of the zipper, sometimes you could look at the hem, pretty good. The materials, really good material. They seem very proud of the material. You can kind of see through it with the light. They're obviously able to innovate. This is, I guess, the Generation 1, which I like a lot. And this sometimes comes out, but it's easy to tighten down, easy to loosen up. When you have some tension on it, you just let go. So they're able to innovate. This material is great. Where was this made? I don't know. Cut and sewn in the USA, and I think they imported the material from someplace else. They've got the same thing going on here. I didn't like this pocket very much on the Generation 1. On Generation 2, this material I like a lot better. It just feels more solid, less like if you put something really hard with edges in that it'll fall through. So this seems like a much more solid material. It's almost the same material as the shorts inside there. But as you see, no back pocket. The advantage, I'm not a big fan of the Velcro thing in the back pocket. It's not a lot of fun, but what else could you do? There aren't a lot of options, unless you put a zipper here, which would be a nice option too. But its back pocket is useful, but a zipper would be nice. And they did something interesting here with the ties, and I like this, but this doesn't make sense. I shouldn't have to do that on a normal $105 pair of shorts. Hopefully this helps. Peace. God bless.